Glam Fam, so today we are going to be doing this American Horror Story inspired look. I was inspired by one of the American Horror Story posters. I'm sure you guys can tell which one. And this is a special video, guys. I am collabing with a really amazing YouTuber. Her name is Kat. She is the creator on Kat Sketch. I'm sure you guys all know who she is and how amazing she is. She also did an American Horror Story tutorial as well. This is just a snip clip of what she did for you guys, and it is amazing, and I just am truly so happy to be collabing with her because you guys just go check her out. You're gonna love her so much. I will link her YouTube channel in the description down below. Go click it after this video, then come back to this video and let me know which tutorial that she's done is your favorite. I will respond to everyone that comes back and lets me know what their favorite tutorial is because I would like to watch them all. I will also link her tutorial down below. I am so stoked to be doing this collab with her. I have watched her channel for so long. I can't even, oh my gosh, it's been so long. I've been watching her channel since her Coraline, the other mother makeup. So I don't know how long ago that was, but it was a long time ago. I'm gonna say like 4 years. When you go check Kat out, please let her know that I sent you and give her a big hello from Beautybyjosiek. And if you're from Kat's channel, it's so nice to meet you. I do makeup tutorials here on my channel and also SFX makeup. I post every single week, but especially right now, I post Halloween tutorials all throughout the month of October. And I hope you guys will stay and join the Glam Fam, and let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so we are going to go in with this Mayron the Gypsy Shrine palette. This is a water-based face paint, and we are going to go in with the purple. We are going to color our chest and neck in, and we want to kind of be a little bit sloppy with this because we want more textures to come through. We don't want this to be like super perfect, because we're just going to go in with some white and black with a sponge and mess it up anyway. So my technique here is I'm going in with some white, dotting it on, and then taking a brush that has a little bit of the body paint on it already and just kind of blending it out. And we're going to do this a couple times so that we get a really layered effect going on. And we're also going to go in with black as well as the white, and we are just going to switch back and forth. I used a couple different sponges to get some different textures, but I went in and blended all of them the same way.
I'm not sure who's the one making the decisions.
And then I went in with that same palette and just took the black, and we are just going to go in and roughly shape out the kind of pattern that we want the drips to go down on our chest. You don't have to exactly mimic this with whatever you're using for the drips. I just wanted to get a feel of what way I wanted the drips to fall on my chest. Then going in with Mayron's 3D gel and some food coloring, I just mixed some purple and black coloring into the gel after I warmed it up, and we're just going to go in with a few different techniques here because I didn't know how I wanted to put it on my neck. First it was a toothpick, then it was a makeup brush, and then I just decided that might as well just pour it on your neck from the container. I found this easiest to work with when it wasn't just out of the hot water, but after it's cooled a little bit so that it doesn't run down my chest faster than I can guide it in the way that I want it to go, if that makes sense. Then taking this Mayron Cream palette, we're going to take a mixture of white and gray and put that all over our face. And after the white has been applied to the opacity that you like, I went in with the gray to contour everything from underneath my eyes to around my cheekbones, on my forehead, and anywhere really that I would want to contour to create depth. After that was applied and blended out, I went in with a setting powder and just set the whole face.
Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted.
And then I went in with a gray shadow, and we are just going to create a super, super blown out smoky eye. And I say super because I want you to make this as smoky as you like, and to bring it and drag it down as far as you like underneath your eye as well. Once you are done with that, I'm just filling in my eyebrows with some black eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna glam it up just a bit with some highlighter. This is the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter palette. And then I'm gonna go in and line my eyes with the NYX matte liquid liner. And after I'm done with that, I'm just going to go into my lips with some of that cream paint. And we want this to be blended out as well. So darken the center and then gradually blend it out by the edges. Then we're gonna go in and put our lashes on and further detail this chest piece. So what I'm doing is I'm going in between the drips and just taking a black liner and just drawing like little veins by them. And then I'm just gonna fill in my neck and shoulders with a black eyeshadow, spray my hair black with Fright Night's hair spray in black, and then we're gonna do some details on my hands so that it matches my face. I'm doing the same thing that I did with my face, except the details on the fingers are going to be done with a fine brush and some water activated black paint. And then once you put your nails on, and by the way, these lashes are from Fright Night as well. They are the Dark Maiden set. That is it for this look. Alright, Glam Fam, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It's free, and if you click that little red button and then the bell next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos, especially right now. It's glamoween on my channel, which means new Halloween videos all throughout the month of October, and that is it. Don't forget to check out my friend Kat. Her channel will be linked down below. She does some awesome tutorials, and I know you guys will love her. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. I love you guys. Happy Halloween! Mwah.